I invite you to sit or lay in a comfortable position and breathe. I invite you to close your eyes and connect with your breath. Slowly inhale through your nose and allow your lips to open as you exhale through your mouth. I invite you to continue this circle breathing as I guide you through your purpose meditation. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Notice how your mind begins to soften and relax. Take another deep inhale and slowly exhale. Notice how your body begins to soften and relax. Allow your mind to focus on how each breath enters and leaves the body. Allow your body to relax deeper and deeper, embracing every suggestion. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. You are a divine spiritual being. Your purpose, if you choose to accept it, is to love and be loved. Your pure essence is love. As you go throughout life, you pick up different identities, labels, emotions that could cause you to forget who you truly are. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. As you relax deeply, I invite you to remember who you are as a being of light and love. I invite you to realize your true potential. I invite you to open your heart and open your mind to infinite possibilities. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. The world is here ready for you to embrace the fullness that is you. The world is ready for you to shine in the light like the sun and in the darkness like the moon. The world is ready for you and all that you have to bring. In this moment, I want you to visualize what it would look like for you to live in your purpose. What does it look like if you were to love in exactly the way you were spiritually led to love. Visualize what that would look like. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Allow colors, sounds, and feelings to flood your body as you visualize this reality. Embrace it fully. Can you accept yourself fully as you are? No matter what has happened to you, you have a purpose here on earth. No matter what has happened to you in the past, you have an opportunity to choose your future and what you do with everything that you have. You have an opportunity to choose what you like to do with who you are. How will you use your life? How will you use your love? How will you acknowledge everything that you are, all sides of you? This is your opportunity to fully love and accept yourself as you are. You are worthy of all the beautiful things life has to offer, and the world needs you healthy and vibrant and thriving. As you create this reality, you might notice some thoughts of doubt or fear come up. In this opportunity, you can wash out those doubts, allow them to float away. Allow yourself a clean slate where you use the lessons learned so far to propel you forward in life. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. In this moment, you can make peace with your past and decide what you want to create in your future. In this meditation, you are standing in your power. What does it feel like? And what does it look like? Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Feel your body release and let go of any judgments, any frustrations, anything outside of love. Slowly let it fall from your body. like a robe before you hop into the shower. As you step into the shower, allow the warm water to gently cleanse your body, your mind, and your soul. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Feel yourself lighter, and slowly, when you're ready, start to open your eyes and journal any divine downloads or insights that came through. As you step out into the world, know that you are loved.